If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, they don't know say a cogency. But the cogency rocks, channel. And today, we have NitoNB with no hard feelings. Why that sound so? Oh, probably this. Yeah, NitoNB, no hard feelings upon Pressplay. Now, bro, I was reading a comment as well, this first comment, saying Nito is top 5. And I'm like, from the previous Nito releases, verses that we've been hearing, he's been going, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, he's been slacking with the work rate. But when he does record and does drop music, he doesn't disappoint, fam. So I really want to just jump into this, see what he's talking about. Yeah, road to 2K. We finally hit 2K, bro. So if you subscribe, please, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for commenting. You know what I'm saying? We're only going up from here. So keep commenting, keep liking. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're now on the road to 3K. You understand? Gonna take a little while, but we're still on the road to 3K. So I don't know. Thanks to everybody who helped us get to 2K. Now let's help, get to 3K now. So comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, let's jump into it, man. I don't want to waste no more time. Oh, yeah. Can't forget this, bro. Can't forget this, bro. Subscribe for OG Bobby Brown before we got a pimp slap you. Or just subscribe for me, bro, because I'm drippy. Oh, sweet ones. This beat sounds so. Calm down. Gang.
I ain't gonna sit and take no for an answer. Give me that drop right now and that's relevant. 6 shot spin or the twin brow twins when the acting scene's got a speech impediment. Don't do one and sell that settlement. Jump in a ride and settle that element. Try run far without metal intelligence. Ran out of block and got settled with elegance. Froze free but he ain't involved. So was he then a video vixen? I really had enough about that lies.
Video Vixen, man. Golly have a song named Video Vixen. It's sick.
With elegance. Froze free but he ain't involved. So was he then a video vixen? I really had enough about that lies man tone. Anytime gang speaking or his facts not fiction. I'm telling man stop it with a 9 no bells. Gotta bring it down south when the dotty needs fixing. We're giving out shells then we bring it back sea. So it never goes all like it's Maggie and Simpson. CID when
what? Fam, he's just flowing.
That lies man tone. Anytime gang speaking or his facts not fiction. I'm telling man stop it with a 9 no bells. Gotta bring it down south when the dotty needs fixing. We're giving out shells then we bring it back sea. So it never goes all like it's Maggie and Simpson. CID when a CID. But we can't get spun in this ride because it won't just be
CID wanna CID, they wanna see my ID. Man, yeah, man, big up, man, yeah, man.
Ian Simpson, CID wanna
CID.
But we can't get spun in this ride because it won't just be for the whack. Cause the case at the front is endangering life. Fill to the max, clip fill to the brim, and he sold out. See, I tried making it mine. Late in the night, try play with him.
Your soul is mine, fam. Who said that? Was it Lucy? Or one of the NR niggas?
Like, fill to the max, clip fill to the brim, and he sold out. See, I tried making it mine. Late in the night, try play with a mind. Now it's taking the time and we're making it right. We're up for seasons, get rocked, it's all in reason. Bring that back and shake that back and make that clap. But there's no feelings, that's your man. Suggest you leave him, we still go. So they're conceding his hit now, but not by evening. Scream out loud, there's no hard feelings.
Dog, the sweet ones are out, fam. You see all my hat drop off, blood. What the hell, fam? Jesus, get this back on, man. Walk on, dog. Listen to this. And when the beat change and the like, hear that shit, fam.
Play with a mind, now it's taking the time and we're making it right. We're up for seasons, get rocked, it's all in reason. Bring that back and shake that back and make that clap. But there's no feelings, that's your man. Suggest you leave him, we still go. So they're conceding his hit now, but not by evening. Scream out loud, there's no hard feelings. We're up for seasons, it's all in reason. Bring that back and shake that back and make that clap. But there's no feelings, that's your man.
Bro, I know I always talk about, I'm gonna stop pausing on the sweet ones, but man, look at this, bro. How do I not pause on the sweet ones, fam? Like, they're just so nice, but Jesus Christ. But yo, this beat and this hook, nice. Shake that back a bit, that, that.
But not by evening, scream out loud, there's no hard feelings. We're up for seasons,
That's
get
four.
rocked, it's all in reason. Bring that back and shake that black and make that clap. But there's no reason, that's your man, suggest you leaving. We score goals and they're conceding. He's here now, but not by evening, scream out loud, there's no hard feelings. If you name one man, just one man that you blam, then I'll name two. You can go and ask them, have I ever touched games? You can go and ask them and I'll tell you that's true. I was really outside with a...
Wow. Okay. All right, fam. So, you know, these disses and replies, them are forward fast, bro. Niggas ain't wasting no time. And also, niggas is putting a big budget into videos, you know what I'm saying, to get that reply out. You know what I'm saying? I like it still.
Scream out loud, there's no hard feelings. If you name one man, just one man that you blam, then I'll name two. You can go and ask them, have I ever touched games? You can go and ask them and I'll tell you that's true. I was really outside with a 9 times 5. I was doing too much, made the straight go boom. We ain't gonna tell lies when I
actually had to do 9 times 5 in my head while ago. The 4-5. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I almost said 30. Guys, stay in school. Don't end up like Coach Ed Syrax, bro. I joke. You can't end up like me, fam. I'm a cool ass nigga, bro.
Just one man that you blam, then I'll name two. You can go and ask them, have I ever touched games? You can go and ask them and I'll tell you that's true. I was really outside with a 9 times 5. I was doing too much, made the straight go boom. We ain't gonna tell lies when the ops comply. And they say to the cheeks, that's deja vu. We ain't shy from a wall, let fly for the wall. Big 9, hit guys for the course, 6 band for the force, thick 9 for the tools. We could do it 10 toes with a sliding doors. Now I'm out too late on the up, boy, strip pulling strings for the course, play him out his position. A dot you're sniffing, we'll send him up missing. And no way ain't kidding, I know that you miss him. Through the highs and lows, had a 9 that blows.
No. After that flow again, fam. What?
I was doing too much, made the straight go boom. We ain't gonna tell lies when the ops comply. And they say to the cheeks, that's deja vu. We ain't shy from a wall, let fly for the wall. Big 9, hit guys for the course, 6 band for the force, thick 9 for the tools. We could do it 10 toes with a sliding doors. Now I'm out too late on the up, boy, strip pulling strings for the course, play him out his position. A dot you're
Wait, hold on. I'm so stupid. I'm literally so stupid. I'm so stupid. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Good time for the 4, for the 5, for the 4. Yeah, that flow is mad, fam.
shy from a wall, let fly for the wall. Big 9, hit guys for the course, 6 band for the force, thick 9 for the tools. We could do it 10 toes with a sliding doors. Now I'm out too late on the up, boy, strip pulling strings for the course, play him out his position. A dot you're sniffing, we'll send him up missing. And no way ain't kidding, I know that you miss him. Through the highs and lows.
Oh. Imagine somebody I talk about your dead friend like that, man. I know that you miss him. I know you miss him. Fam, fuck it out.
Position, a dot you're sniffing, we'll send him up missing. And no way ain't kidding, I know that you miss him. Through the highs and lows, had a 9 that blows, had a spinning through rudder, made a straight go slap. You ain't really got hot, you were standing there freezing. Come back and told bro that your man went blank. When the 9 went bang, they were searching for help, but it still went into the boy like my lamb. Went part of his plan, but he can't stop facing the dirty new name, really come like Zidane. We're up for seasons.
Ooh, dog, just dog. Sometimes I can't even keep up. I swear to you, I really can't keep up sometimes, bro.
Through the highs and lows, had a 9 that blows, had a spinning through rudder, made a straight go slap. You ain't really got hot, you were standing there freezing. Come back and told bro that your man went blank. When the 9 went bang, they were searching for help, but it still went into the boy like my lamb. Went part of his plan, but he can't stop facing the dirty new name, really come like Zidane. We're up for seasons, get rocked, it's all in reason. Bring that back and shake that black and make that clap. But there's no feelings, that's your man, suggest you leave him. We score goals and they're conceding. He's here now, but not by evening, scream out loud, there's no hard feelings. We're up for seasons, get rocked, it's all in reason. Bring that back and shake that black and make that clap. But there's no feelings, that's your man, suggest you leave him. We score goals and they're conceding. He's here now, but not by evening, scream out loud, there's no hard feelings.
Gang. Big up work rate. Gang. Big up Absam. Gang. Big up Mad Mark. Gang. Oh, Map. Gang. Listen, man. You know this was, hey, bro, YouTube, you like to start my videos way too quick, fam. Give me a second now. Let me outro my thing. One touch record, NitoNB, no hard feelings, up and press play. Yeah, man, serious business, man. NitoNB, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's like before every song, it's like, I say, yo, I wonder if I gotta do something in that song here what I do like. I wonder if he's gonna fuck up in this song. I wonder if he's gonna, fuck up the flow or fuck up the timing or, bro. And the man just doesn't miss. You understand? Certain songs just might not be your cup of tea or, you know what I'm saying, your favorite to listen to, but it's not necessarily a bad song. I haven't heard a bad song from NitoNB like whenever. I swear to you, fam. I swear from Rise and Tan come out, bro. It's like, the only thing I can say is that he's not consistent with releasing, but quality, you know what I'm saying, different thing, bro. So tell me what you rate this in the comments. Tell me what you want me to react to next. road to 3K, so let's get to subscribing. We just hit 2K yesterday, bro. So thanks to everybody who subscribed and like and comment. So keep commenting, keep liking, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Cogency and Cogency Reacts channel. How about this motherfucker, man? Yeah.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah.